If you let everyone go right now, we will bring you the $50 million and a helicopter out of here. You can see me? In order for us to get that much cash together, we're gonna need some time. Like, a month? You might as well just give up right now, because our highly trained sniper has the sights right on you. Open. I need to know that the remaining hostages are still alive. Can I speak to them? Hello? We'll just try. Come on. Can I talk to another hostage? Okay, you win. There's literally a helicopter landing right now, so just come on out. That does keep sounding.